हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल पढ़ाई वर्ल्ड। तो आज की इस वीडियो में हम कवर करेंगे भारत आवर लैंड। तो सबसे पहले आ जाता है हमारे रिस्पेक्ट एंड रिस्पॉन्ड, जिसमें आता है रिकॉल द लाइन्स ऑफ द नेशनल एंथम एंड कंप्लीट द टेबल बिलो। इसमें स्टेट्स, माउंटेन रेंजेस और रिवर्स जो आते हैं हमारे नेशनल एंथम में, उनके बारे में हमें लिखना था। फिर उसके बाद डिस्कस व्हाट द वर्ड्स जय है इन द लास्ट टू लाइन्स ऑफ द नेशनल एंथम कन्वे। इट्स ऑल अबाउट India's great destiny, guided by the Almighty, and the nation's progress and welfare, protected by divine guidance. Then comes read the underlined words and choose the odd one out that does not correspond with the underlined meanings. तो इसमें peerless, valuable, मतलब peerless का meaning uncomparable, unmatched and incomparable, sanctified, blessed and purified, auspicious, fortunate or favorable. Hoary antiquity is ancient times and time immemorial. Then comes our poem, reading for appreciation. This is our poem written by Subramanya Bharati. So let us learn about him. He was born on 11 December 1882 in Etayapuram, Madras Residency, British India. He died in 11 September 1921, aged 38. He had his wife Chelama, and he was a writer, poet, composer, journalist, teacher, Indian independence activist, social reformer, polyglot, meaning he was a multilingual and encouraged people. Word meanings: Himvant refers to Himalaya, peerless, unmatched, unrivaled, sanctified, to make something purify or holy. Brahma knowledge, highest form of spiritual wisdom and self-realization. Preached, to give a talk on religious subject. Dhamma, ancient Indian concept of cosmic law, universal order, and the ultimate truth of universe functioning. Hoary antiquity, state of being extremely old. Then comes complete, check your understanding, and this is the summary of the poem, and here comes the answers. Then let us move on. Complete the features about the poem. What are the features? Impact, meaning mood, patriotic and inspiring. Poet's attitude, tone, admiring and respectful. Rhyming scheme is irregular. Examples of personification: India is referred to as her in She is fearless, let's praise her. What's impact of the refrain She is fearless, let's praise her? It shows a deep sense of pride and admiration towards our Bharat's beauty, and emphasizes the uniqueness of Indian beauty and encourages readers to respect, celebrate, and honor. Complete the following sentence, then match the symbols with their meanings. Also, the use of imagery, meaning the descriptive language to create vivid mental pictures that appeal to senses. Impact of use of hyphen. Then comes hyperbole and ode. This was a praising poem, and it was written in praise of our land Bharat, so it's an ode. And how we have to explain that, here we have written that too. Allusion. Then critical reflection, where we have completed the extracts, answered the questions very well. I hope you can understand it very well. Then comes the main question answers. These are very important and may come in the exam for very short. So along with this, I would like to end my video, and I have showed you all the notes that I have made of this chapter. I hope you liked my video and shall subscribe my channel. I hope that you would share this to your classmates so that they can also copy these notes up for their best revision. Thanks for watching my video till the end. Thanks for watching.